Most times when I get these kind of messages, I get pissed off because I actually get them a lot. Now, this message is from one of my students that just bought the course recently. This was what he was saying. Sir, I'm blown away by your course. Honestly, it is the best Amazon KDP course I've come across, and I've invested in quite a few. Huge respect for the knowledge you shared. Now, when I get messages like this, I get pissed off because when I tell you that this is the best Amazon KDP course in Africa, I am not joking. Now, take a look at this message also. I think this particular person bought my course 3 days ago or 2 days ago. Yeah, so this particular person. And he's saying, honestly, with a few videos viewed since yesterday, I think he actually bought the course 2 days ago. I must confirm that you are very brilliant and indeed a good tutor. Many thanks, and I hope you will be available when I ask questions. First of all, when it comes to availability, I don't ignore messages, especially from messages from my students. You understand? Now, if you are someone who wants to go into book publishing, if book publishing is that vehicle you want to use to make money in 2026, I am the only person in the whole of Africa that can teach you how to do this business effectively. The only person. Now, the ZTH Amazon KDP course was born out of, complaints, was born out of scams, was born out of people's cries. You understand? I used to give out free content on free KDP groups. And when I actually saw that a lot of people are being misled when it comes to the book publishing industry, especially in Africa, I decided to step in, to educate people in these free groups. I give them free, tips on how to grow their Amazon KDP business. I give them free keyword tips. I give them a lot of free tips. I started converting these tips to YouTube videos, which I've actually created about 100 plus YouTube videos in this particular channel. Most publishers have actually used my videos to make money. Some people have actually used my YouTube videos to create a course. This is to show you how effective what I teach is. You understand? Most of my students have created a course out of the course and out of the knowledge they've gotten from my mentorship. If book publishing is that vehicle that you want to use to make money in 2026, there are a few things that you must know. First of all, thinking that you don't need a mentor is one of the biggest mistakes you will ever make in 2026. Thinking you don't need someone to mentor you. You can't get free stuff, and you feel that it is all you need. YouTube cannot answer all your questions. And I have to repeat this again. The knowledge I share on YouTube is not up to 5% of the knowledge I have shared in my course. I want to repeat that again. The knowledge I have shared on YouTube is not up to 5% of what I have shared in my course. Now, if you would do this business effectively, without complaints, without crying that they scammed you, without complaining that your mentor or the person you paid money to is not responding to you, without having a good community, that solves each other's problems, the only option is to make sure that you get my course. This is not me cajoling you. This is me telling you that the best KDP mentorship right now that you can get in the whole of Africa is the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint. Secondly, you need a community. You need a community. I think I actually have one of the most effective Amazon KDP community out there. I have over 1,000 plus members, community members on Telegram. I have over 400 members plus students in my mentorship that have taught how to do this business and how to run it effectively. First of all, if you are someone who is into KDP again, and you know the issues, account issues, termination issues, book blocking issues, you actually need the right information to go with the business in 2026. Do you understand? You want an information that you can apply today and it works. You also need to be around people who are thinking like you, people who want to make money like you. That is why you need a community. Number one, you need a mentor in 2026. And number two, you need a community. The right KDP community is one big, advantage for you if you want to make money with a platform, because there are some things that this particular publisher will know that you don't know. This particular publisher will know, or that particular publisher will know that these other persons don't know. You understand? This is a place whereby people share ideas and the publishing business becomes easy for you. So when you are having difficulties, you can ask questions, not even coming to my DM alone. The community is enough alone for you to ask questions, and gurus in the community can respond to you. You understand? Number 3, you need the ability to take action fast. A lot of people, when they get courses, it takes them time before they consume these courses. Please, you have to understand that you are making money from this stuff. And if this will be your source of income, what you use to earning money, and your source of survival, you have to take it very serious. You have to have the ability to think fast, because you see that profitable keyword that you will find, or another publisher who is very wise, who is very effective, who is very hardworking, is also looking at that profitable keyword. How fast you can put out a quality book in that keyword determines how fast you can make money from that keyword. You understand? And if you don't have the information that can produce a book fast for you, if you are not acquainted with that information, it will be hard for you to, succeed. So you need that information competitive edge. You need to know how to write quality books fast, and you need to know how to beat your competitors writing a quality book. That is where a lot of publishers fail. They see a keyword, but they can't put out a quality book on this particular keyword. You understand? Now, most of the things that you are going to be learning in this mentorship is something that you have never seen before. When it comes to the keyword research, it is unmatched with any course. When I tell you, first of all, that this KDP course is the best Amazon KDP course in Africa, is because I have seen them all. You understand? I have been in a KDP community whereby the course creator began to scam, the students. I have been in a community whereby the people in the community cannot use the course to create one book. I have been in a community whereby someone who claims to be an acclaimed guru cannot write a proper book, because most of the people that patronized this guy before they joined my mentorship were my students now. And I happen to get in touch with one of the books this guy is claiming to write that will become a bestseller. And I have never seen a book that is so trash as this book that this guy sent to me, that this guru wrote for him. And this book was actually written about 190 something thousand per book. This guy actually promised heaven and earth, and he can't deliver. You get? So I have seen them all. When it comes to someone saying, I can do this, I have seen them all. The track record is there. The reason why I'm telling you that is the best Amazon KDP course in Africa is because I have that proof. I have the students that are doing it. This particular student that you are seeing is my student. This other one is my student. You understand? So I have people who are using this same information to get results. So when someone is coming on YouTube to actually make these claims, I don't joke around. You understand? I studied this business. I understood it. I know how it works. And when I tell you that if you go through this mentorship, your dashboard can never remain the same. That's just the pure truth. It can never remain the same. Number 4, you need to have the discipline to focus on this business, because a lot of people actually follow shiny objects. If they see that forex trading is the one reigning now, they go into it. They jump into it. If they see that YouTube automation or AI YouTube automation is the one that is people are talking about now, they want to do automation. You can't be successful doing a lot of things. If you want to focus on YouTube automation, focus on YouTube automation. If you want to focus on book publishing, focus on book publishing. And book publishing is one of the things I have seen that can make you money fast. I have a YouTube channel. I have YouTube channels faceless YouTube channels. I know how this thing works. You understand? So when I tell you that it is the easiest, because I have tested these vehicles also. You understand? So you have to have the discipline to focus on one thing. If you are doing book publishing in 2026, focus on book publishing. All it takes for you is just 60 days of mastery. Once you don't master this thing, they say you don't master them. You understand? Once you have mastered the blueprint on how to turn one book to $1,000 every single month, you have mastered it. No one can actually take that skill away from you. This is something that you can now repeat, and you begin to set a goal for yourself. Okay, my goal is to make $10,000 a month. How many books am I going to put out there for me to be able to achieve $10,000 a month? Problems are everywhere. And do you know the truth? Problems are books. Problems are books. As this person is facing issue of cancer, how to deal with cancer is a book. As this person is facing a money problem, how to make more money with generative AI, these are books. As this person is facing cooking problem, how to prepare meals, is a book. And you have thousands of people that are searching for these particular, solutions in a book. every single day on Amazon and your book are not there. Please, these 4 things are just the things you need. Now, I am organizing a 90 days challenge. This challenge is going to show you how to make $5,000 in the next 90 days. Now, in these 90 days, we are going to be having weekly live sections that will teach you strategies on how to print money with books. I will hold you by the hands in these 90 days because I'll be in this group with 50 persons. Mind you, this challenge is just for 50%. It is not for everybody. And this challenge, for you to just qualify for this challenge, if you are getting the course from now, because the challenge is starting on 10th of January. So if you are getting the course, the ZTH course, which is 30,000, if you are getting it now, from now that you are seeing this video to the 9th of January, you are going to be getting it for 20,000 naira. Now, what you are going to be getting in the course, first of all, there are a lot of challenges a lot of publishers are facing, especially verification challenge. In the course, I have added how you can verify any Amazon KDP account, how you can create ID card for any Amazon. Now, this alone is something that a lot of people charge a lot of money for. I am also adding fresh videos that can help you hit this target in the next 90 days. You understand? So I'll be holding you by the hands, sharing strategies with you. We'll be going live on Zoom or any platform at all. I'll share the link to the 50%. We'll be going live. I'll be sharing strategies that I use to actually make a good amount of money publishing books. So all you need to do to get into the mentorship is make a payment of 20,000 naira, which you have to do it before the 9th of January because the challenge is actually starting on the 10th of January. Once the challenge starts, the offer is closed. The course returns back to 30,000. As a matter of fact, because of the value I am adding to the course, most people won't be able to afford this course after the 10th of January. I created this course out of people's cry, because they are crying. I've bought a lot of KDP courses, this and that, I've been scammed, I've been this. 98% of the people who have bought my course have bought 1 or 2 Amazon KDP courses. It doesn't work for me. Most recently, people that are actually sending me messages recently are people that the way they start their messages is, I have bought this KDP course, I bought this KDP course, so and so. I went through this course, I didn't get the desired results. You understand? I don't need to explain myself this year. I don't want to explain myself. The fact is established. This is the best KDP course in Africa that you can ever get. So I don't need to start showing you. I've been showing you the proof and testimonials of my students in the recent videos that I've been creating. So come and explain myself. If you want to get it, be among the 50 persons that will start the challenge on the 10th. It is your choice. You understand? I already possess the ability to make people money, and I've created the blueprint that helps them do that. You understand? So it is left for you that is struggling, that needs money, that have set a goal of 100 million in 2025, that when you don't have a vehicle that can earn you that, I am presenting to you a vehicle that can help you make your dream money in 2026. You understand? So this is the only thing you need. If you are making payment for the course, you can see a link in the description of this video. It will take you to the product page. You will also see a discount code. Or if you want to make payment directly, a WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen. All you need to do is send me a DM on WhatsApp. I want to get your Amazon KDP course for the discount price. And you make payment for it. You get added to the challenge group. You get added to the ZTH Amazon KDP course. You will also get access to my Google Playbook course for free. You understand? So these are what you will be getting. So if you are making payment for the course, you can send me a DM and say, I want to take advantage of the discount that is going on and I want to be among the challenge. If you are already in my mentorship, all you need to pay is 5,000 naira to get access to the challenge and the Google Playbook course. And you also have the advantage to get access to the upcoming videos that is coming up very, very soon, that will be updated in the course also. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I am Value Bank and I will be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.